React So Stylish. This is Anusha Tuniki. So in today's video, I'll be talking about a lot of Indian makeup brands which people are craving for right now. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So the first brand we have is Lakme. Yes, Lakme is an Indian brand and it has its makeup range from foundations to compacts to lipsticks to lip balms to nail polishes and a lot more. So a lot of you already know this brand, so I will not go much into the details. So you guys can check it out online and I'm pretty sure you'll love their products. The second brand we have is Pat Cosmetics. This brand also has a wide range of variety on their list, and they also have a lot of products. So they also make makeup applicators like brushes, sponges and all, and they are totally amazing. Also people go really mad for their fixing spray, and that's just amazing. So I've just used it once or twice and trust me, it makes wonders. So this is one such brand. Alright, the third brand we have is Nykaa, and Nykaa is damn famous, like literally everybody know this. And firstly they started off with their shopping website, and then they slowly moved on to nail polishes and nail enamels and all of that. And now they have their products like into everything, foundations like eyeshadows and lip balms and a lot of things. So Nykaa is just amazing. And the fourth brand we have is Kama Ayurveda. Kama Ayurveda is just like the mother of all the skincare brands, at least for me. So this is like this is only a skincare brand, and it has its products for all the skin problems, and it is just so amazing. I just cannot stress on this brand, and it's just very amazing. But it's a little pricey. I felt so, but otherwise this is just a next level brand. I love it. I totally love it. Okay, the fifth brand is Miss Claire, and this is also a very famous brand and it has almost all the products. But my personal favorite is the Soft Matte Lip Cream. They are totally amazing and their shades are just so good. The next brand is Sugar. Sugar Cosmetics also has like a wide range of varieties, and it has this these amazing lipsticks, and people literally go mad for their lipsticks. And I personally like their eyebrow filler pencil. That's just amazing. The seventh brand is Color Essence. They also have like a huge variety of products, and their reviews were so good. But personally, I never got to try this brand, but the reviews and the research, according to my research, everything was like totally amazing, and they hardly had any bad reviews. So this is one such brand. The eighth brand is Sugandha & Co. Sugandha & Co is also a skincare brand. It's quite famous, and this also has like amazing reviews. I did not try this as well, but the reviews and all were totally amazing. The ninth brand is VLCC, and this is also very famous. So this brand again falls in the skincare range. The 10th brand is Biotique, and Biotique is my personal favorite. They have their range both in skincare and as well as makeup. So I personally use a lot of Biotique products like the conditioner, the soap and a lot of products, and this is one of my favorites. The next brand is L18, and a lot of people know about this brand as well, but I personally use their nail polishes and lipsticks, and their nail polishes are like okayish, but their lipsticks are really good for the price that they are. They're just for like 100 or max 120 rupees, and they stay for they don't stay for like really long, but according to the price they at least stay for like 5 to 6 hours, and that's so good. The 12th brand is Himalaya Herbals, and a lot of you anyway know this brand. There's no doubt about it. So this brand is also like really good, and it has a lot of face washes and body lotions and a lot of products. So you guys can check them online as well. Moving on to the next brand. Calabar. This is an amazing brand again, and it's quite famous also. So I don't know why, but when it comes to Calabar, I'm always attracted to their lip colors, and I just go mad for their lip colors. I just don't know why, but it's so good. The 14th brand is Shanaz Hussain. Shanaz Hussain is again a makeup and skincare and hair care brand. I personally know them only for their hair care range. So yeah. The 15th brand is Forest Essentials, and this comes under the skincare range again. And this is just an amazing brand. I've personally tried one or two of their products and they work wonders. Their products just like make magic happen. The 16th brand is Jovies, and this is an organic makeup brand. So all of their products are organic, and if you are someone who is very allergic to chemicals and all of that sort, you can definitely go for this brand. Also, I could just try only the foundation in this brand, and the foundation was like really good, like it was good enough. The 17th brand is Blue Heaven, and honestly speaking, I'm not a great fan of this brand, but it works for a lot of people, so it might work for you as well. So please give it a try. The 18th brand is Ponds, and Ponds is again a very famous brand. It has its range in again moisturizers, makeup, and powders, and a lot of things. So I'll not talk much about it. 19th brand is Iba Halal, and it is a halal brand and it is halal certified, and all of their products are also vegan. So if you are a person who is into veganism, or if you're a halal practicing person, then you can definitely trust and go this brand. The 20th brand is Studio West. So Studio West is a brand from West Side, and they have their products only in the West Side store. So like I did not try much of their products, but according to a lot of reviews, their lip range is like crazy. It's amazing, and I've got to see few shades in pictures, not in reality. So it definitely works wonders. The 21st brand is MC Cosmetics, and MC Cosmetics makes only lipsticks, and the best part is it makes custom made lipsticks too. So if you are looking out for that, you know, one particular shade where you mix and match so many lipsticks and you're not able to get that, you can definitely go and you know, give it a try for this brand. So also I think they have one store in Gurgaon, and otherwise you can you know, pre-order it and you can get your lipsticks made. The 22nd brand is Lotus, and Lotus very honestly, it is an amazing brand. It is totally amazing brand. A lot of you really love this brand, but according to me, it's not for me at all, because I had two worst experiences with Lotus. But I am not going to blame the brand at all, because the product that did not suit me was the product that a lot of people went crazy for, and that was the sunscreen. So it was in the color of a foundation, and I was very excited to use that, because I wouldn't need an extra foundation to you know, do my makeup and all. So first time when I tried that brand, I tried it in the drugstore. So what happened was, I did not know that, you know, the effect of my entire face rashes was because of that. So I ignored it. What happened basically was, my face was completely filled with rashes, like I just cannot tell you, and it was like 2 to 3 years ago, so I do not have any pictures. And yeah, because I did not realize that it was because of that product, I tried it for the second time, maybe after a year after that happened or something, and the same rashes and everything came back, and it was just horrible. My face looked pathetic, and it took me almost like 1.5 months to get back to my normal skin, and I had to consult a doctor for that. So yeah, I am not into this brand. I am just like scared, honestly. So moving on to the next brand, we have Bharat and Doris. Bharat and Doris is again a really nice brand, and it has a lot of varieties, and their range is like huge, so you can go and give it a try. This is also a really good brand. The 24th brand is Viviana Colors, and they have that range more into shower gels and body gels and conditioners and nail polishes and a lot like this. So I never tried this brand, but they have good reviews, so you guys can definitely try it. The 25th brand is Bolly Glow, and this is also a very nice brand. I came to know this brand through Times Fresh Face. This product is like more into Bollywood and Desi makeup, and their names are also there. Their like shade names are also very interesting, like very Bollywood style, so you can definitely check them out. The last and final brand is Avon. So Avon is again a skincare and makeup and perfumes brand, and also people their fragrances and mists are very famous, so people really like them. You can definitely check them out. So yeah. So that's all for this video, guys, and all the brands that I mentioned in this video are totally Indian based, and I did quite a lot of research to know about this brand, and watched a lot of big beauty influencers, and I hope you guys found it informative, and if you guys like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.